What you just did is you attempted to hit me with your door. Business card. I demand your ID.
You can go back there.
I demand your ID.
Go back there until
You don't tell me what to do in
done.
public. You can kiss my ass.
Public accountability or police overreach. Watch this intense encounter unfold as a citizen demands answers and stands their ground.
You need to stop speeding. If you're on a call, an emergency, turn on your lights and don't ever speed. What's your name and badge number?
You can go somewhere
What's your
else.
name and badge number?
Go somewhere else.
Business card.
Go somewhere else.
You can kiss my ass. I'm in public. I want your business card.
You're in the middle of an investigation.
Yeah? Yeah? Go investigate then. Go investigate. What you just did is you attempted to hit me with your door. Business card. I demand your ID.
You can go back there.
I demand your ID.
Go back there until
You don't tell me what to
investigation
do
is
in
done.
public. You can kiss my ass.
You can go back there.
That's assault, dumbass.
That is
Branch.
not-
Who's your supervisor on the scene?
You can go
You do
back
not touch
there.
me.
Do
You
get
do not
involved
touch
in
me
the
in public.
investigation. Do not get involved in the
I'm not.
investigation.
I'm in public. And until I got the camera and consulted you, you didn't do anything. All of a sudden, when I confronted you, you got an issue, you just assaulted me. You do not
get
touch a
involved in
private
the
citizen.
investigation.
What investigation? What's investigating? You were not involved, you were sitting in your car, were you? Were you? You were sitting in
How
your
can I
car.
help you?
I said your business card. You just assaulted me. I want to file a complaint against you.
You're welcome to do so.
I want your business card.
When we're done.
No,
I will
now.
do that.
I demand your supervisor now.
You're not going to get that.
On his way? What's your name? What's his name? What's his name?
They have nothing to do.
You got a business card?
They don't have nothing to do with this, sir.
They have nothing to do with this? So what? I'm in public? Is this public street? Exactly. Matters of public can be recorded anywhere from public.
Absolutely. You can.
Even though this is their private property, there is no privacy. No expectation of privacy because I can see it with my own two eyes. And now I'm standing on public street and on public sidewalk. Dumbass, I have a right to defend myself. You touch me again, I will drop you. Understood? I will drop you. No, that's a warning of self-defense. Read the laws in the state of Washington. And I suggest you get your sheriff, Horch, on the line real quick.
We got videos on you as well, too.
Very nice. Very nice. I hope you got a video of him assaulting me, touching me without any probable cause. You have no right to touch me. No right. You laid your hands physically on me. That is an assault. That's a simple battery.
That is not.
That is. You're going to learn. You're going to learn. That's a simple battery. What's the investigation? Get to the investigation.
None of your business.
Get to it. Get to it. I'm not physically obstructing you, am I? Get to your investigation. You should know that freedom of speech is not obstruction, interference. I'm walking on a public sidewalk.
No,
We're trying to do something over here.
Then go do it. I'm walking on a public sidewalk right
Out
here.
of the investigation.
But I'm not. By this public sidewalk. Your investigation is with them. Go handle it. Go handle it. Your investigation is with them. Go handle it. Go handle the investigation. I'm walking on a public sidewalk. Right? You got a tape? You telling me I can't walk freely on a public sidewalk?
I'm telling you right now, you're not getting any closer to their investigation.
Where's the line? Show me the line.
The line's
Where's
right
the
here.
tape? I don't see no tape. Where's the tape? Where's your crime scene? Where's the crime scene? Branch, where's the crime scene? Where is it? Exactly. So if I want to walk here, maybe towards this car, maybe back to my car, I don't know, maybe I just want to walk on the sidewalk here, right? So get out of the traffic. How about I do that? How about I do that?
Probably a good idea.
Walk on the sidewalk?
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Absolutely.
Get out of my way then. Get out of my way. I want to walk on the sidewalk. You gonna interfere with my freedom of movement?
Are you going to interfere with our investigation?
Am I?
Yeah.
How?
You're taking two of us to kind of maintain.
I told you
on
multiple
the
times,
initiative.
get back to your investigation. Didn't I tell you multiple times? Get back to your investigation.
I suppose you did, yeah. You're probably
You
right.
suppose I did or did I? In fact, I did.
Yeah.
Did I tell you to get back to your investigation?
I'll have to read
Didn't I give you a direct order to get back to your investigation? I did, didn't I? It's on your body cams. I told you multiple times, get to your investigation. I asked you multiple times, what's the nature of the investigation? You can't state it. And now what? Oh, looks like the investigation is over, right? It's over?
Yep.
Are you done?
Yep, we're done.
Oh!
Have a nice
Now
day.
take your sorry asses, pigs, back to your cruisers and piss the hell off!
This video highlights the importance of knowing your rights and holding authorities accountable. Always stay informed and stand up for your freedoms.
Hi, can you turn off the camera for me?
No.
Who are you?
I don't feel I need to give that information.
You cannot be videotaping around the station, sir.
I have a right to record in public. This is a public space. I can record anything I see in public view. That's a
Okay,
First
give me
Amendment
one
right.
second, okay?
Am I being detained?
No, just wondering why you're taking pictures of the. You can take pictures all day. We're just wondering why you're taking pictures of the.
Okay, well this deputy here just told me that I wasn't allowed to. And she was being kind of snooty about it.
You're allowed to take pictures. You're
Okay, no, thank you. I
allowed
appreciate that,
public property.
sir.
We're just wondering why you're taking pictures of the.
I'm just gathering content for a story I'm doing, that's all.
What kind of story?
It's just about the sheriff's
Do
department.
you have a business card or anything?
No, I don't have
What do
any.
you work for?
I'm independent.
You work for any kind of post, any kind of like paper or?
Well, I mean, it's not published, so I can't really reveal my sources at this time. So.
All right, you're free to take pictures. We're just wondering why you're taking pictures of the parking lot.
Yeah, I just want to get some cars coming in and out. But
Or what kind of piece are you doing?
well, like I said earlier, it's just about the sheriff's department.
What about it? Anything I can answer? Any questions I can answer for you?
No, just like I said, I just want to get some shots of some cars coming in and out.
And then
That's fine.
you're gonna write what on it?
Well, I mean, I can't really give that out, because the story's not published, so I can't reveal.
You have ID with you?
Huh?
Where's it gonna be published at? So we can maybe read it later.
Well, like I said, I just can't. My publishers don't like me to until the story's actually published. I can't really.
When it is published, maybe we'd like to read it, and maybe you can tell us where it's going to be.
Yeah. Well, like I said, I can't really.
Can't divulge it.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know where it's going to go at this point, so I can't really say.
You have ID with you?
No, I don't.
What's your name?
I prefer not to
For not to-
give my information.
All right. Well, like I said, you take pictures all day. We're just wondering why you're taking pictures of the department, of the station. If there's any questions, we can answer for you.
No, I appreciate it.
If you want, you can go inside the station and talk to somebody in there if you have any questions.
Oh no, I appreciate that. Thank you.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
All right.
Have a good one.
Knowing your rights is essential when interacting with law enforcement. Public spaces belong to the people, and transparency holds authority accountable.
Video in as far as the sheriff's office and
Yes, sir.
vehicles and county vehicles?
Yes,
What's
sir.
the purpose of it?
It's just a hobby. It's just something I like doing.
Is this the only place you video?
No, sir. I do courthouses, sheriff's departments, police departments, anything publicly accessible.
Okay. Are you from around here?
No, sir.
Okay, where are you from?
A little farther down the road. I'd rather
Got
not
your
say.
ID on you?
No, sir. I don't.
Okay. Why don't you have ID?
I don't need to have one, do I?
You can stop recording me.
I record everything,
You can stop recording me.
sir. I record everything.
Okay. Well, I need to have your name and your date of birth, please.
Have I committed a crime?
Well, it's suspicious of the fact that you're back here at our courthouse and up on the courthouse steps and around out here video and
Yes, sir.
the parking lots and stuff. So I take that as a suspicious activity.
Is that a misdemeanor or a felony?
I need your name and date of birth, please.
And are you asking me, or?
Yes, I've asked you. Asked you very nicely.
Well, I have the right to decline.
220.
I haven't broken a law. This is a.
Give me a APD to the back of the courthouse, please. We have a 1088 on the premises here, video of the area.
Have I committed a crime? Are you familiar with
On private property.
Is this private property? I didn't see any signs.
Okay.
If you can show me the signs, I'll gladly leave.
Okay. Well, I see that. It's all right.
I have no ill will intent. I'm not here to cause any problems, any
Where you
trouble.
driving? You just walk here?
I don't answer questions.
Oh, really? Okay, that's fine. We can...
Am I being detained? Just taking some pictures. I was on my way out when he stopped me. I haven't broken any laws, committed any crimes.
It's a security risk of the fact that you're on the public on the property here after hours of government facility, and that you're videoing this area and videoing the vehicles in this area, and especially being up at the courthouse videoing the area of the courthouse. Two, you're resisting the fact to give me a name. And
North Carolina is not a stop and identify state.
But you are, at this point, you are breaching the security of this place right now.
Is that a law?
For here, this day and time, oh yes.
This day and time?
This day and time, as far as security.
How you doing?
How are you?
Good,
you
sir.
Won't answer any questions that I asked.
I've answered the questions.
No, sir, you have.
You asked me what.
I asked you politely for just your name, date of birth, and you refuse to give me any information of who you are, and you're on a government facility.
Public property. And I was on my way out. I haven't broken any laws.
You was up at the courthouse when
and that is public property. I wasn't trying to break in. I have no ill will intent. I'm not here to do any harm.
And you won't have a problem giving us your name and date of birth.
What do I need to do that for?
Now you are obstructing and delaying the investigation here because.
I'm sorry. I just don't want anybody behind me.
Our question.
In order to instruct,
It's an arrestable offense.
In order to obstruct, I have to be in suspicion of a crime.
And you are in suspicion.
What is the crime?
The crime that you're in suspicion of the fact that you are out here on a government facility.
Public property.
This is a government facility after hours, and you are videoing the equipment and the courthouse.
Which is perfectly legal according to DHS. Department of Homeland Security issued a memo in 2010 and revised it in 2018 saying I have every right to do so. The eyes cannot trespass. I've done told you I have no ill will intent. I'm not here to do any harm.
I don't have a problem with letting us check who you are. We don't know who you are.
You don't need to know who I am.
You could be a terrorist as far as we know.
Do you
if you're not, then it won't be a problem.
Have you read the Department of Homeland Security memo?
Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. But the First Amendment cannot be deemed as suspicious activity. This is a First Amendment protected activity.
Suspicious activity when you're a video in
no, sir.
Facility.
The Supreme Court has already ruled suspicious activity cannot be a reason for the First Amendment. You cannot deem the First Amendment as suspicious activity.
As probable cause to hold you and detain you, especially until you give us your information of who you are.
But what crime have I broken?
And if you don't, then you are RTA. And if you do not give us the information, you'll be arrested for resist, delay, and obstruct, which is a misdemeanor.
But in order to be arrested, I have to be suspected of a crime.
Produce us with your name and date of birth, your ID. That's
okay, I'm going to do it under the threat of duress. Since you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 officers on this side coming around, you know that puts me in harm's way.
I've asked you for your ID, and I've been very polite with you.
And I do not have it. And I will give you my name and date of birth under the threat of duress.
Sir, this is going to be your last chance, then I'm going to place you under arrest.
Okay.
Resist, delay, and obstruct.
I'll give you my name.
If I pat you down, make sure you have no weapons, anything like that.
I will tell you, I don't have a problem with it. I do have a pocket knife in my car.
Put your hands on top of the car.
I do have a pocket knife in my car.
Keep your hands up for me. I appreciate it.
I do have a pocket knife.
Go ahead, put your hands down. I got a camera too.
Yes,
bud.
sir.
The whole thing's being recorded.
It is in my left front pocket. I won't reach for it. Yes, sir. With a can of dip.
Can of dip?
Yes, sir.
Is that the only thing in it?
Yes, sir. It should be maybe $1 bill, some change.
I ain't worried about the dollar bill. I ain't worried about nothing like that.
And
hold on.
A bottle in my back pocket.
Okay. Anything under that bottle?
No, sir. It's just a spit bottle.
Okay.
I didn't want to be spitting on the concrete and, when dipping. I can take my shoes off if you want me to.
You good for right now?
Keys. I have a belt on.
I'm going to take the keys off.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
I'm going to lay them right here on this car.
Just I don't want to scratch your hood. It's got a bunch of them.
All right, buddy.
Can I stand up?
Yep, you good right here, man.
Yes, sir.
Just make sure you ain't got no weapons.
Yes, sir.
Everything, when this encounter's over, do remind me that I have your knife.
Yeah, yes, sir. Right. Can I get your name and badge number, please?
The Officer Udi, badge number 151.
Officer Udi. And can I... And like I said, I have no ill will intent. I'm not here to do any harm. I was just out taking some pictures. It's a First Amendment protected activity. The DHS has already ruled on it. Supreme Court's already ruled on it. Sir, did you check my front pockets? I think I might have some dollar bills in there or something.
I ain't worried about your dollar bills.
Okay.
Like I told you, that's what I was worried about.
Yes, sir. And I told you about it, and I have no ill will intent.
You did? I appreciate that.
Yes, sir.
So what brings you up to the courthouse?
Just taking some pictures, some video. I'm not trying to break into anybody's car. Actually, these are beautiful cars. I was just, looking at them. Is it okay if I rest my hand in my pocket?
Yeah,
okay. You done search me?
Right, here you go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's all it took for us to check to make sure that you was okay, that you didn't have any warrants on you, that you wasn't a threat to us. But we appreciate that you don't come on this property after hours because it is a closed facility. When it's open, that's a different story, okay? Suspicious that you are here, so we're asking you to not come back on this property.
And I'm on my way out as soon as this is over.
And that's fine. I appreciate your cooperation. That's all it would have took. You wouldn't have had to go this far, you understand?
Yes, sir. Can I get your name and badge number, please?
You have a good day.
Can I get your name and badge number, please?
It's right here. You got a video. Have a good day.
Poplin, badge number is... He doesn't want to give me his badge number. Can I get my stuff back?
Go ahead.
I don't want to. Thank you, sir.
Yep. Spit thing?
Hang on a minute. Thank you, sir. And pocket knife. I'll step away. Thank you, sir.
Authority often relies on intimidation rather than law. When power is unchecked, even lawful acts can be deemed suspicious. Knowing your rights is not enough. Exercising them despite fear is what truly upholds freedom.